Court calls the case People versus Adam Watkins.
Henry Tillman on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Okay. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Adam Watkins.
Okay. I had issued an order to show cause. You have not been arraigned on this case, and I want to arraign you on the charges or the charge. The citation alleges that on or about January 7, 2025, at the location of Michigan Avenue near US 23 in Pittsfield Township, that you were found in possession of drug paraphernalia contrary to Pittsfield Township ordinances. Do you understand the nature of that charge, sir?
Yes.
That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 90 days, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented?
All right, folks, get ready. This case kicks off with a courtroom face-off. Rachel Erickson versus Kenneth Erickson. Kenneth, calling in from jail by video, is facing serious accusations over $37,000 in unpaid child support. The judge doesn't hold. Back Kenneth tries to claim he missed his last hearing because he never got the notice, but the court isn't buying it. The record says otherwise, and the judge is ready to call him out.
All right, this is a public defender case.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Watkins. We will waive further readings, standing to the charges, and ask for another pretrial date, please.
And in every way from a reading statement, the court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned to March 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates. Set the defendant's bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I will order. Yes, sir.
I'm going to be in rehab. I got next 10 days. I'm going to be going into rehab for at least 30 days.
Kenneth with the excuses. The judge isn't buying the old "I didn't get the mail" story. Records show the documents were sent and nothing came back, so by law, that counts as delivered. Then the child support attorney steps up and lays it all out. Months of missed payments, a long-standing warrant, and one wasted chance after another. At one point, Kenneth even tried to clear his warrant by paying just $100, then disappeared again.
When are you going in?
Within the next 10 days. I'm in the process of getting hold of the number at the distribution center.
Okay. Where are you doing this rehab?
This is for Plymouth, Canton Township.
The court?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have paperwork indicating that?
On me, I do not. I just went to court yesterday for it. It's either 30 days in
So
jail.
here's what I'm going to do. You're going to need to get that paperwork to your attorneys here. Okay. So that they can show the court, but I'm going to leave it set for the 19th.
Looking to bring it up here to court. I feel like I'll have it within the next couple of days. You know what I'm saying? They're supposed to be sending me the number from Canton for the distribution center. And then I'll know exactly, okay. To you, bro.
That's fine. Out there and then
You can call it. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
He's heated up. Fast Kenneth claimed his car literally exploded, saying a fire in the trunk destroyed his clothes, paperwork, and job opportunities. But the court wasn't moved. A burned car doesn't erase $37,000 in unpaid child support. The judge laid it out clearly. You had the kids, now you pay for the kids. No excuses. No way out of those missed payments.
Clearly no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There should be no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or illegal drug use. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I will also sign an order for community corrections regarding testing. At this point, it'd be 2 times per week, but if you're in treatment, then deal with that. If I were to give you a test today, you gonna come back clean?
Nope.
I didn't think so. What have you been using?
Okay. It's been 3 days or so, but it's still probably come back dirty.
What do you mean it's been 3
I
days?
haven't used anything in the past couple of days. But it's still, I don't think it'd come back clean, to answer your question.
Well, your bond on your other case in Plymouth, you're not supposed to be using.
Yeah, this is all right.
Why?
That's why I'm going into rehab.
Reality check, Time Kenneth admits he hasn't worked in 5 years. He says he's trying, but being a felon makes it tough. The court isn't having it. The judge points out that plenty of people with records still find work hotel cleaning, construction cleanup, and more. Kenneth struggles to answer, unsure, where to even start looking. The court cuts in with a reminder. There's a library. Figure it out.
Are you testing out there?
Not so just starting everything. I just went to court yesterday.
Let me just tell you. Okay. I'm gonna tell you right now, Mr. Emmer. Young man,
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you this. I'm gonna ask you this once.
Yeah.
When was the last time you used?
It's been about 4 days. To be honest with you. Yeah, the honest answer is I can't give you an exact date. It's been within 3 to 4 days, Your Honor. To be completely honest with the courts. That's one of the reasons I'm going into rehab. Because of my lack of control.
Where are you going to rehab?
I gotta get a hold of their 34th is sending me the number to the distribution center. I haven't gotten it yet. As soon as they get it to me, I'll know exactly then. And I can give the court the information that I have at that point in time.
When did 34th order you to?
No, not 34th, 36th, Plymouth. Yesterday. I was just in court yesterday.
Okay. And they ordered you to rehab.
Yes. Is it 30 days in
What
jail?
judge?
Who?
Your Honor, I
Hmm?
found the case, if I may.
Yes, go ahead, Mr.
It's before Judge Giroux in 35th. It does look like he appeared yesterday and
Operation sets in Kenneth says he's tried to find work, but his vague answers aren't convincing anyone. He claims he's too injured for construction, may be able to clean, but admits he has no phone and no real plan. The judge isn't here for sympathy, though. This is about accountability. 9 months without paying child support? That's felony-level neglect. The court's message is clear. Excuses won't help you now.
it's a little bit difficult to understand, but it looks like he was sentenced yesterday at noon. It says optional jail term, but that's all I can really see. Optional term 30 days. But it looks like that's all it says really about his sentence.
But it doesn't say anything about treatment.
It doesn't really tell me. Well, it says probation. It's pretty unclear. It says there's a bunch of entries with description. It says crime rights assessment. Oh, those are the fees. Optional jail term, probation, monetary transaction. He paid $125. Scheduled to report to jail 6/20/25. So that may be what he's referring to
Have a
when he
jail?
says,
You got a jail sentence?
If I may, Your Honor, my client seems to be the understanding that if he were to complete the inpatient rehab, he would not have to do that jail sentence, which I believe that might be why then his report date is in June 2025. If so, maybe that jail time will not actually be imposed if he does that rehab.
right, because it says optional term.
Yes, Your Honor.
I can
Do
print
they
out.
know you? Do they know you've been using?
No.
Yeah.
I think that's why I chose to go to rehab versus going to jail. I think rehab would be better for me than going to sitting in jail 30 days versus going to the rehab. That's what I need. I think
Well,
personally.
I understand that, but that's not my issue right now. Did somebody bring you here?
Yes.
Okay, so, but my question really is, does the other court know that you've been using?
No. They have not dropped me yet.
Pardon?
They have not dropped me. No, sir, Your Honor.
Did you talk with anybody at the other court, their probation department, anybody?
Yes, I have.
Because I'm going to be honest with you, sir. I think when you give me that 3 to 4 days, I think you've used more recently
No, sir.
by the way that you're acting.
No, I've not used today at all. I've not. I promise, of course, I haven't used. It's been at least 3-4 days. Minimum. I'm a little nervous right now, to be honest with you.
All right. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to set the defendant's bond at a $15,000. I'll just do a 10% bond, but if he's got it, he can pay it. I'll set a special pretrial, or at least review of his bond on March 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. That's my sentencing docket. But that way he's not in the wait. Ms. Payton, Ms. Parody, if you get information more specific for me from the other court as to what he's supposed to do, then I'll consider his release. But at this point, he's not leaving here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Final verdict. Tim the judge drops the hammer. Kenneth gets a 30-day jail sanction. Locked in 10 of those days are no longer suspended, though he gets credit. For 1 day, already served, and now there's a new rule. He must prove he's applying for at least 2 jobs every week. The judge made it clear, no more excuses, no more stories. It's time for action, not talk.